In this video, we look at how to import and export details within the web portal. The web portal allows for certain elements to be created, edited, and deleted in bulk through the use of import and export files. You can use import and export files for updating departments, products, stock quantities, suppliers, and customers. We cover these in detail in the appropriate videos. This video, however, is a quick overview of the process as it is the same throughout the system. The only difference is the data being imported and exported. For this video, we will use products as the example, but the process is the same no matter what area of the portal you are importing. First, navigate to the appropriate area of the web portal. If importing and exporting is available, you will see a series of buttons in the title bar showing Download Template, Import Records, Export Records, and New. If you have nothing loaded on the system, or you only want to add additional items, you will want to download the template file. To do this, click Download Template and click the Download XLS button. Once completed, open the downloaded Excel file. You will see a spreadsheet with only the header row entered. These show the required columns needed for an import and will match the elements in the appropriate form when creating items on the web portal. After entering all the information into your spreadsheet, you must enter yes into the first column if you want that row to be imported, otherwise the web portal will ignore it on import. Once your file is ready, save it ensuring it is saved as an XLS file. Moving back to the web portal, if you want to edit existing details in bulk, you will first need to export your existing details. To do this, click the Export Records button and click Download XLS after the web portal has completed preparing your file. Once completed, open the downloaded Excel file. You will see a spreadsheet with the header row we saw in the template along with all other records loaded on the system, in this case, products. You can now make any changes required to the existing products as well as add additional items. Like on the template file, you will need to ensure you change the first column to yes on all rows you have changed in order for them to import. Once your file is ready, save it ensuring it is saved as an XLS document. To import details into the web portal, click the Import Records button, then click the white button to launch the open window. Navigate to the location on your machine where your file is, select the appropriate file and click Open. The web portal will first check the contents of the file to ensure the data is valid. When ready, tap the Import button to start the import. After the import has completed, tap the Close button. Further information on importing and exporting details can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please get in touch with your solution provider who will be able to offer further assistance.